Welcome back. Well, it's much better to be talking about a front and a frontal trough than a tropical system approaching, and we're going to get the frontal trough and a weak front pushing on through. Meanwhile, eastern Gulf of Mexico is going to be rough and tumble this week with potentially a major hurricane impacting the Big Bend of Florida by Thursday. So let's take a look at the big picture and look at that water vapor imagery across the region. And again, what we're seeing and what's been blocking this system from moving to the north is high pressure. Earlier today, it was centered maybe closer toward Mississippi and Alabama. Now it's shifting over toward Florida. This is going to move off to the east. This upper low is going to move on out. This upper low is going to come on in and eventually steer what's in the northwestern Caribbean through the Gulf, but then off to the northeast. And we'll show you that right now. A little bit of an upper level low over by the Yucatans, kind of interrupting this system from getting organized. So we still have what we call a potential tropical cyclone. Not quite a tropical cyclone yet, but it will get the name Helene and eventually become a hurricane. More on that in just a bit. We have all the Doppler radars turned off across the Gulf Coast, so we'll keep an eye on the storm in the days ahead. Meanwhile, locally here in Acadiana, we had a few pop-up showers, but there's nothing going on at this hour, so nice and quiet, and rain chances staying low. So as we look at the big picture and we're concerned, well, this was Hurricane John. This is moving inland, still Hurricane John, but that's going to dissipate over the Mexican mountains. But still, this disorganized system, the broad low pressure system, is somewhere over here. So you can see all the convection is off to the eastern side of this system. Hey, maybe some convection closer to the center. Maybe the beginnings of this getting a little bit more organized. But the longer it takes to get organized, the better off it will be down the road. But there's plenty of real estate for this system to become a major hurricane. Still with 35-mile-per-hour winds, pressure hasn't changed a whole lot. They estimate, the National Hurricane Center, it's moving to the north-northwest at 6. Expected to become a tropical storm by tomorrow, sometime morning or afternoon, and then more than likely a hurricane as we head into Wednesday. Then it goes over the very warm Gulf of Mexico. And again, I show not only the cone, but the effects outside of the cone. Look at the yellow here. That's tropical storm force winds. Hurricane force winds may work their way into Georgia because this is going to be moving at a good pace. And we still expect it to be a Category 3. Don't let somebody misinterpret this for you and say, well, now it's only going to be a Category 2 at landfall. Well, this is already at landfall as we head into Thursday evening. So prior to landfall, the National Hurricane Center still indicates that it's probably going to be a major Category 3 storm prior to landfall, thereafter falling apart. But nonetheless, there's going to be some serious damage probably into Georgia with this system. Pensacola looks okay, some breeze there, and of course we're in very good shape here. Tropical storm warnings for portions of the Yucatan Peninsula, including Cancun, Isla Mujeres. Again, that's going to go to probably a hurricane warning tomorrow. Hurricane watch right now, tropical storm warnings, and tropical storm watches have been extended up the Florida coast. And it looks like the Florida coast is going to get a lot of storm surge from the Fort Myers area all the way up through the western coast of Florida into the Big Bend. Maybe some storm surge flooding in around the Port Charlotte area, down toward perhaps Fort Myers as well, as far south as Bonita Springs. And then you're going to have high water into Tampa Bay by St. Pete as well. And then you can see how that storm surge works its way inland. And here we are, 9 feet or better. Cedar Key, again, same areas that have been battered the last couple of years are going to get another storm rolling on through. And you can see that storm surge pretty high all the way through the Big Bend of Florida. Then you get over toward Apalachicola, not so bad. And with winds going out of the north, everything's going to empty out of the bays locally as you get into the western part of the Florida Panhandle. So here's the latest graph model. What you can cull from this is, one, will this thread the needle between the Yucatan and western Cuba? If so, it will become a major hurricane as we head into Wednesday night, Thursday. But maybe some of the drier air with this frontal trough gets in and limits some of the intensity. This model run just a little bit east of the National Hurricane Center forecast track, but always follow the National Hurricane Center forecast track. And people are saying, Rob, are you sure this is going to go to the east? Absolutely. Upper level low here is going to shuttle this system along and make it move more quickly, but still not before doing plenty of hurricane damage down the road. Near term, we're talking temperatures again in the lower 90s as we work our way into late tomorrow afternoon and evening. Maybe a few showers and storms. So we have low-end rain chances tomorrow, but they could pick up tomorrow evening. And then as we head into Wednesday, and then finally the front gets here by Wednesday evening. So overnight tonight, 73 your low. Tomorrow, I got to wrap it up, 92 the high, with maybe an early, late afternoon or early evening shower. And as we move into that 10-day forecast, good-looking weather as we move forward, and no tropical systems heading heading our way and feeling better in the mornings as we round out the week and head into the weekend. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more a little bit later on.